G Outdoors production. Holy son of a gun, that's a big one.
Oh hey guys, didn't see you there. Welcome to another episode of G Outdoors. I actually just came back from my Ptarmigan trip and it was a really good time. We went up in Northern Canada and I was a guest with my buddy. He invited me as he does every year, and we were fortunate enough to get some good footage. We got several birds in a day, about a day and a half of hunting. Blue was with us. Hey girl, she was retrieving the birds for us, and made it that much easier in that high snow. For those of you who have never hunted ptarmigans, they're sort of like they're a grouse. They're a grouse from up north, and they actually molt. They change colors. They go from brown to white in the winter. And they're really fun to shoot. They stay in groups. The meat is very tasty also. But without further ado, here's the footage from our hunt in Northern Quebec. Welcome to another episode, and this week we have a special edition of hunting. It's a bit different from our shed season. We're actually up north in Northern Canada, and we're hunting ptarmigans. Those mysterious little snowbirds, you know. They're really fun to shoot, and I was a guest. My buddy invited me from up north Quebec. My buddy Mark.
Yeah.
And it's a pleasure to be here.
C'est informé.
And we're actually, I'll let him describe a bit where we are. He's gonna actually explain it to you guys in French. Vas-y.
On est au 49e parallèle dans le territoire de la baie James. Ces oiseaux sont ici en abondance. Comme vous pouvez voir, la forêt est une forêt quand même d'épinettes. Ça se tient beaucoup dans les zonages. Ça se tient en gros groupes.
C'est fun à tirer.
C'est très agréable. Puis, on va aller en chercher.
Hey guys, hasn't been 1 minute. We already got one. So
in the same place.
Look, we're still in the same spot. She was actually waiting to air on an episode of G Outdoors. Stay tuned.
Good job. Good girl. Good girl. Bring the bird. Come here, girl. Bring the bird. Good girl.
first day, there was this one particular scene which I can't help but think about. There was about 7 birds in the road, and you could see it on the footage. They're in the road, and we get out, and my good friend's like, let me try them with the 22, you know. So he tries them. Obviously, they were like 80 yards away, and with the 22 open sight with those really weak ammunition, he takes the weak ammunition because they make less sound, so you have a chance at shooting several of them without them flying away. And like you see in the footage, you can see where the bullet hits, and the birds are just staying there, right? So we decided to put the 22 aside, and we got the 12 gauges and got them done. We actually shot a few. Actually, we shot all 7 on that pass, and yeah, it was a good one. You know, sometimes you send out the dog goes, she does what she's told. She's the best dog a person could ever want. Actually, she is a pretty fascinating dog when it comes to hunting. There was this one chance where I sent her out. She did the retrieve. She locked on the bird. She got the bird. She came back, but sometimes, you know, when you gotta go, you gotta go. So mid-retrieve, Blue stopped and did her business.
Good girl. Give her the bird. Come on, bring it. Bring it. Come on. Come on. Here. Come on, girl. Here, girl. Here, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Give the bird. Give her the bird.
So that's it, guys. It's a wrap for G Outdoors.
Le pouce?
We got a 20 bird limit, a little under the limit, but you know what? 20 birds is more than enough to take home. So stay tuned for our next episode. You know, it's a little different than what we usually do. Usually we were looking for sheds or whitetail hunting, but it was a chance I wasn't gonna miss, and hopefully I get to go back. As always, stay tuned for our videos. We have a lot of shed hunts planned. We want to get out there. We've been getting a lot of snow, so it's not that easy. But we're gonna try and plan a few shed hunts and hopefully find some nice racks for you guys. Till then, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you guys want to see. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment. Did I just tear my pants again? Yeah, I tear my pants.
Did you?
Yeah.